Hello everyone! Today we will learn about photosynthesis. So let's explore how green plants, which cannot move from place to place, are able to make their own food and support almost all life on Earth. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process where green plants, algae, and some bacteria produce their own food. They use sunlight, carbon dioxide, CO2 from the air, and water, H2O, from the soil to form glucose, a type of sugar that acts as their food, and release oxygen, O2, back into the air. In simple words, plants take in water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight to make food and give us oxygen. Photosynthesis is a process where green plants, algae, and some bacteria produce their own food. They use sunlight, carbon dioxide, CO2 from the air, and water, H2O, from the soil to form glucose, a type of sugar that acts as their food, and release oxygen, O2, back into the air. In simple words, plants take in water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight to make food and give us oxygen. There are two stages of photosynthesis, which light-dependent stage, light reaction, and light-independent stage, Calvin's cycle, light-dependent stage. This stage needs light. It happens in the grana inside the chloroplast. During this stage, light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll. Water molecules split into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen gas is released into the air, and energy is produced in the form of ATP. This is why plants release oxygen during the day when there is sunlight. Light-independent stage, Calvin's cycle. This stage does not require direct light, but it uses the energy produced in the first stage. It happens in the stroma of the chloroplast. During this stage, carbon dioxide combines with hydrogen. This forms glucose, which is the plant's food. So in simple form, light reaction can make oxygen and dark reaction can make glucose. Why the photosynthesis is important? Photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. Through this process, plants produce glucose, which is the food they use to grow, stay healthy, and survive. At the same time, photosynthesis releases oxygen, which humans and animals need to breathe. It also plays a major role in controlling the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. By absorbing carbon dioxide, plants help reduce the effects of global warming. During photosynthesis, plants store energy from the sun in the form of glucose. This stored energy then moves through the ecosystem, forming the base of all food chains. Every living thing, directly or indirectly, depends on plants for energy. Without photosynthesis, there would be no food, no oxygen, and ultimately, life on Earth could not continue. Factors affecting photosynthesis. First, light intensity. More light increases photosynthesis until it reaches a maximum. Second, carbon dioxide concentration, higher CO2, increases rate to a certain point. Third, temperature, increases rate until enzymes are damaged at high temperature. Last, chlorophyll amount. Less chlorophyll means lower photosynthesis. We've reached the end of the video. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of the topic. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching this video.